Hi, in this video we're going to be looking at using Mango to fulfill the meetings component of your integrated management system. This video is an extra or adjunct to a video I made on meetings and building your integrated management system. So if you haven't seen that, you should jump in and have a look at that one first. But just to remind you, the types of meetings that we're going to be looking at here, these are the three levels of meeting that you could be looking at. So we'll be looking at management review meetings, we'll be looking at more of that training or operational or toolbox talk type meeting, and we'll also be looking at pre-start meetings and having a look at how Mango might make your job a little bit easier for that. So here we are in Mango. This type of screen will be familiar for those who don't use Mango. I really hope you've signed off more of your events than my demo company has, but maybe you're looking a bit the same as well. So anyway, meetings, let's firstly look at the management review type meeting. I'll tend to use events for that one. So event management, go to manage events, and you can add a new event and make it into a management review meeting. Okay, so here's one that I've previously done. If we click on this one, we've called it management review meeting. The event type is meeting. It's going to happen every 3 months with reminders 2 weeks before and every week after. If it's not done, the event owner is Matt Perry. If I want to BCC the rest of the team in on, I could, or I could just use a calendar invite via other systems to do that. I've got my email, and then there's an escalation if the meeting hasn't happened. So that's a typical event process for Mango. And simply to complete that event, once it's done, you'll go in and click sign off and complete the date that it was done. Let's say we did one today. I'll use that date to trigger my new date, or you could have used the due date if you didn't trigger that. Sign off it with your name. Upload your notes, in it goes, and click save. That meeting has now been signed off and will trigger again in 3 months' time, and you'll just keep recording your data in Mango for that. For more of a toolbox talk or a training type meeting, I'll tend to use my ad hoc training for that one. So I'm going to click add multiple, ad hoc training. Let's call it, so let's give it some people who are coming along. Okay. And you could attach additional safe work procedures there if you wanted to as well. And simply click save. That toolbox talk has been added to each employee's file, and it will be found under competency there. So ad hoc training, a few different toolbox talks that we've done there, and there's our training record for what it would look like. For the more of the daily pre-start meetings, again, I will use the ad hoc training for that. But one of the things that people struggle with a little bit there is that you're on site, you don't always have a laptop with a scanner and all that sort of stuff to be able to insert scanned paper files, that sort of thing. So for that one, I'm going to jump over to my mobile and have a little bit of a look at how that works. Okay, so here we're going to look at how we can use the Mango app to either sign events off or use the Mango web version to add ad hoc training. So let's go to firstly the event, and I'll look for something appropriate to be signed off. The toolbox talk, it's already been signed off, but I'll show you the process. We'll click sign off, pick the date, give it a name, and here you can use your phone camera And you'll just obviously choose the document that you have. Take a photo of it and save that to the event. Using the full version on your mobile device is also possible, and we could use this to, for example, add ad hoc training. So we'll go to Human Resources, Ad Hoc Training, choose our employees as we did previously. Fill in the relevant details. You can fill it straight into the box there, or you can upload a file as we would previously do. So I've uploaded a scanned document there from my mobile device, which I took of the training records. You can get lots of good PDF scanners for your device, so it makes it a lot easier, a little bit more professional than a photo, and then simply click Save. And that training has been added for all those 5 employees simply via your mobile device. So there you go, guys. That's how I would use my mobile device to add either ad hoc training or sign-off events for documentation for your different meetings. So there you go, guys. That's a quick look at how we might use Mango cloud software for any of the meetings functions. There is some other ways you can use it for those functions, but they would be the easiest and recommended ways from my point of view. Hope you had a great day. We'll talk to you soon. Okay, bye.